Yes, of course.
Okay, so Jerome, you're able to. Chisom, what about you?
I'm gonna do that tonight.
Because from now on, from next week, you'll be submitting you'll be pushing your assignment to GitHub, and you'll be posting a link instead of screenshotting. So you'll be pushing your assignment to GitHub, and you'll be posting the link on the group, so we can get access to your assignment and check it out, and we'll be able to see the visuals and everything. Guys, is that clear? So if you've not signed up for GitHub, you have today, Friday, you have Saturday, you have Sunday, before Monday. So I don't want to hear I've not been able to register. You have 2 days to 3 days to sign up for your GitHub accounts. Okay, guys. So let me share my screen and we'll go from there. So today is going to be a brief session because I'm sure you guys will understand this. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this session, you guys will be talking. You'll be doing a lot of talking because I'm going to be asking questions. So, guys, this thing that I'm clicking on right now is what? This place here is, what do we call this, guys? Guys, come
The
on.
nav bar.
Nav bar. Very good. So, what do we use to make this home, this register, and this about? What do we use to make them?
Using the anchor tags.
The anchor tag. Very good, Faith. So, what can somebody suggest what we use for this? Welcome to the students registration portal. Not you again, Faith, another person this time around.
This one.
H1, very good. So now this was attached with what did I use to attach this picture here? What did I
Image.
use to attach image? IMG image. So this two is what? This two, what kind of tag did I use for these two lines?
Paragraph.
Paragraph, very good. Okay, so let's go to the register page now. Okay, so guys, student registration form, what kind of tag?
H2.
H2, very good. Now, this full name is what? What kind of tag?
Label.
Label, very good. This empty one is what kind of tag did I use?
Input.
Impute, very good. So now we have it. So this, what of this one? This male and female, what did I use?
Checkbox.
Radio.
Your buttons.
Radio button. The checkbox, like the name checkbox suggests, you see it like a box form, but for radio it's round, so you know it's a radio. So what of this one now? What did I use for this?
Select.
Select. And these things here are what? They are what? Options, guys.
Select
These
option.
are the options. Okay. So what of this one? What did I use for this?
Text.
The
Text
text
area.
area.
Huh? Text area, very good.
The text area.
So this register is what?
It's a button.
It's a button, the input button. And what's the value of this button, guys?
Register.
Submit.
Yeah.
Submit.
Sir Chris, are you talking to us? Oh, okay. So register, it's the submit button, and this is the clear button. It's used. This is refresh. It's used to clean and to clear and refresh the whole page. So now let's go to about. So this one about, what kind of tag is this?
H2.
H2. Then we have the. Why did I used to bolden this?
Strong.
Strong. Very good. Very good. So this is, what is this now, guys?
A table.
A table. So you have we have a th, then the the tds. So now then I also have my what's this one here? This
Footer.
black footer. Very good. Very good. So guys, can you guys make this by yourself? You can make this by yourself. Okay, so how about I
Yeah.
give you guys 30 minutes. I want you to come up with something like this. 30 minutes, guys. I want you guys to do this. Then I'll do a revision with you guys. A quick revision with you guys. So this is your, let's start with the nav bar and the this. So I need you to make a nav bar like this. Now let me give you a expo. This is this where you're going to use display, and you're going to set your display to flex. You're going to set your display to flex, and you're going to justify items to space space between space between. So you're going to, this will be aligned to the right, and just leave this one. It will definitely automatically come, and there's going to be a bit of padding for your inline styles. So just try and do it, and let's see what you get, and then we'll do the corrections together. Okay, guys? So you have, let me give you guys for this nav bar and this, let me give you guys 20 minutes. So then I'll shift to the footer, and then we'll do the correction together. So guys, 20 minutes, do this. So this is 21:20. So by 21:40, I'll be calling it quit. You can download any image and use any image for this place. So get to work, guys. Your time start now. I'll be, yeah. I'm just going to. Hello, guys. Are we good? Are we able to do it?
Yeah, but me, I'm still doing.
Okay, but we kind of need to be fast. Let's do it together from my end. Then when you get back, you can practice it on your own.
All right.
I don't want us to spend too much time today here since it's just practicals. So let me just reshare my screen. So let me go here. Should I just, okay, let me just make a new one, sure. I'll send you guys to, okay. So can you guys see my screen? Okay. So we have the first thing is the nav bar. We have a nav bar. We have an header. We have a main. We have a footer, guys. So inside the header is now where we have them. I have my H2 element, which is what regex, guys. The regex. Now, and I have a nav bar. So that's when I have what? The home, the register, the about.html. So now for this now, okay, sorry. For for this now, I'm going to be adding style. So guys, let me save it so that you see it now. We have a background color of 333, which is like black, chocolate black. Then I have a padding of 10 pixels to 20 pixels. That means spacing, vertical and horizontal. Then we now have display flex. That means everything that is inside this header now should come on a straight line. It should not be distorted. Then justify content, space between. So that's why, guys, you can see this space between them, right? So then I have align items to center. So it will still try and centralize them. So now for H2, mm, let me just go here. Mm, I don't want to put, should I put the styles? Okay, let's put the style after this. So for this styling, let me see. We'll just change the color and margin. I don't know. Let's change the color to white, right? Then I want to let me see this first. Let me see how it will look. So we'll check how it will look like before we know what to amend here. So let me open this on another page now. Okay, so we need to tell it to remove this um text decoration. So guys, let's so guys, let's check it out and see now. So see this now. think we need to put the padding. Let me see. Still not going to the right.
Ma,
Yeah.
maybe for the margin, maybe you can say margin right, margin left. Will it work?
No. We're not using margin left now.
Oh,
I think I missed something. Center. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay. Let me see now. Let's align this. Okay. Okay. It should be aligned, but okay. Guys, sorry. I'm just going to let me finish up, then I'll come back to this alignment of objects. I don't want to waste too much time here. I'll come back to it. With declaration. I don't really like using the floats, but let's try the floats. Is it because I didn't? Okay. Where the weight is. Let's wrap it up in styles. Mm, Still not moving. Am I supposed to? It's crazy. Mm, It's not shifting beyond this border. I'm coming, guys. 1 minute, please. Let me check the width of this number. Okay, guys, just a minute. I'll come back to this. Let me do this. So let's go. We can use H2, then a P, then another P. So I think I'm going to be having a break here, but let's just see first. Okay. Mm, yeah. So this now. Mm, okay. Let's use the align attributes. I don't like. Okay. Let me use the text align here. Let's see. Mm, yes, there's a mistake here. Zero text. Good. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm just going to move on. There's something I'm missing out here. Let's just move on. I'm going to attach this image and I'm going to do the footer. Let's do the footer. It says what? C love or something. Just going to copy this. P. Do I want full width? Yes, full width is fine. I don't need to specify that. So now, so we use the same background color, then white, then 1 minute. Okay, center. So text align to send. I'm not using that. Then let me see. Let's check if there's padding. But what I'm seeing here, there's padding. So let's check first. So can you say no? This is too small. So you add padding. So based on this now, okay. Now the image. Mm, mm, but now I need to add style so that it will to be the same. I'll use 60% as my width. Let me see this first. Then I want to add the border. I don't want border radius. Okay. So let's go say now. So as you can see, it's here, it's here, it's here. So it's just this. Okay, no problem. Let me add so for our nav, let's make for the about page. That means I have to restart this. Okay. So okay. Okay, guys. So for the registration page, let's work on it. Um, I'm cleaning this up. Okay, let me keep it here first, so we'll come back to it after everything. Let me put it on the chat, so I'll just copy it and we'll come back and finish up that. What do you call it? Okay, guys. So let's finish up this second one. So for the form, um, password, then so I'm going to change this to password. Okay, this is for the course. We're going to change this to password, then we're going to have a radio button. No, this is input. So what do we have next? Radio, gender. I don't want to use them, I'll just go straight to value. So now for this one now. Oh. So let's see. So we have gender for male, for female, but here we need to add a break here because there's then. So I have a course. Select the so label department. Just going to use this, guys. So I'll just say department and the ID to be department. So let me see. Computer science, engineering, mathematics, and arts. I have mathematics. So based on this option, I think I'm good. Arts, okay. I'm not putting an action today. I'm just going to style it all up. Sure. So comment. Let's add a comment, guys. Then you give me a minute. Let me just label. Right. So there's no placeholder here. So all I have to do is put the button now. Mm, yeah. So reset. Then value will be where. So for this form, I'm going to first. I'm going to even add a border. So I'm just going to. Do we have a border radius? Let's check. Okay, there's a border radius. This curve right here is called a border radius. Normally, it used to just be like a box, but if you're seeing this curve, you know it's a border radius. So let me add that. Then let's check it out now. This is not our own. This is our own here. So guys, can you see? So I have to work on these styles and everything. I'm coming, guys. Please give me a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back, sorry. Okay, so we have this, we have this, we have this. No wonder this was um let the width be 60%, right? Now let me see. Okay, can you guys see this wrong? So we have some mistakes here. So let's check it out. Name, email, password, gender. Okay, okay. And then okay. So now this is where your inline comes in now. So we need to put this inside here. But the breaks, we have to remove the breaks because this now is not for male. I need to check for male. Okay, we don't have breaks in male. Let's check now what it looks like. Okay, this is good now. So department is working. It's this comment we need to work on now. Um, so where did we go wrong there? So for a comment, then we need to add a break. Okay. So yeah, can you see now? So now I want the width to look like this. Just look at the way this is filled up. So I'll just tell it now that this should be 100%. First, I need to. Do I want to start doing? Let me try this. I don't want to start putting it one by one. So let me try this first and see if this would work. Mm, so let me see if this will work. I'll just put it to 100%. Now let me see. Nah, it's not working. No, we have to do it one by one. So that lazy this is what I wanted to do. It won't work. But I could put my pad in. So now let's see. Padding is 30%. This is 60. Sorry, 60%. So let's go. Okay. I need to start putting this now. Oh God, this is this is not nice, but I just have to do it. So for input, I'll put star. Just put my width. Yeah, width is 100%. Now let's see what it will look like. Come on. Okay. I need to wrap it in styles. It's not working directly. This inline styles will test my patience today. Okay, I'm closing this here. Okay, so that's good. But I want to add I don't know, I want it to be a bit bigger, like this. Um Something like this. So I think we need to add padding here. So yeah. So 8 pixel. So let's go and check it out now. Can you see? So we need to repeat it. This is what I was trying to. I wanted to put this automatically, but apparently it's too stubborn. It doesn't work that way. Like it doesn't. Normal CSS now there's a shortcut that you would use and everything would just at once, but it doesn't work that way for inline styles. You have to put this thing one by one, which is kind of a lot of work. So after ID, right? So let's put this here. This is gender. I don't need this. I don't need this. So let me just see how it looks like for here. Okay, so I need to put it for this comment, right? But I don't need padding for this comment, but you can still leave it. So can you see now? So now for this submit and clear, I want to put them in the middle. Mm-hmm. I need to plug in my PC, guys. So just a minute. Seriously, bro. Okay. These items are lining again. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Please let me plug in my laptop. Okay. Um. Okay, guys. So for this, I want to add a bit of padding. So it should be from here. No, I'm not interested. Just pattern. So let's say 10 pixel. Let me do that here too. Peak. What's going on? So let's see that. Okay, so you can see. So you also want to make the this rounded. All I have to do is just come here and put border radius. let's keep it of 5 pixel. So now I'll copy this and put it here. But first you need to put this here. I really Okay, so let's check this now. So can you see the way it is now? The border, even for this comment text area, you can do the same here now. So for this text area, I can put border radius now. So let's see. So this is good. So we have it the way we're supposed to have it. So I think we're okay for this department. Let's check. So you see now we need to add a break for at this department. So where is that department? Yeah, so okay. So that's it. Now coming back to this home page. Document. Oh, I didn't add this thing here, the nav bar. We didn't add the nav bar. We didn't have the footer here. So let me just copy from here. Um, it doesn't have a copy function. So first, I need to copy this and paste first, so we don't lose this one too. We're just going to add the header and the footer here now to make this complete. But so we're going to copy it from here. Let's work on that this thing. Nah, this is not the home page. Yeah, this is it here. Let me see what it looks like if the margin is 0. Okay. 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 Nothing else to do with the width of this thing. This other's width is, I don't know. Do I have a typo? Do we have a typo anywhere, guys? Because it's meant to align to the right. With this, it's meant to align to the right. Except if we have a typo somewhere. Like this. We had a typo. Yeah, I knew it. It's a typo. So guys, we had a typo. That's why it wasn't moving around since. So this is why you have to be careful with your codes. See that dot. See what this particular dot that was here has not been allowing our content to work since. So that was what the dot I just cleaned just now. Let me show you guys. This particular dot that I just cleaned just now is what. So that's why you have to be careful with your code. So that's why we've not been able to get this to move to the right since. So you have to be careful. All those small errors that you think does not matter actually matters a lot. So guys, I'm like, okay. So now, but I would. So let me see. Let's add a. I want to add a gap. I don't want to enter here again. I want to add a gap. Yeah, 10 pixel. So let's add a gap between them. Okay. Um, can we increase it? Because I don't like the way this is looking. I don't need the div elements anymore since the typo has been found out. So let's see now. I'm going to come here, let me see. Okay. Let me copy this. We might just edit this later, but let's finish up because time is already even gone. That typo really messed this up. Better still, let me even just paste it here. Then let me copy the home page. I should have copied the footer too. So I'm just going to put this here now. So the header always comes before the main, guys. So this is the header, then we now have the main. So now the footer is meant to come after the what? The main. So you know the footer will be here. No, I'm not interested in this one. So that's the way it goes. But let me just save it so you see now. Let's go back here and see it. Can you see? But the spacing is not it's not giving me the space between. Okay. Let me remove this padding. Let me see. Can you see now, guys? I'll put down another typo again because it's supposed to be giving me space between. So if it's not giving me what I'm supposed to have, then you know that you definitely have a typo somewhere. Phew. Oof. Okay. Let me work on the last one, guys. Then we'll still come and look at this spacing, but let me work on the last one. So this is the about portal. So you know how to do this. The one thing I wanted to show you guys was this border collapse for that because we didn't do border collapse in the last session. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this before. Okay, so for this we can always no, I don't want to come and start all over again. So I'm just going to so main, right? So we have the main now, and so now we have team members. We have a table. We say it's an H3 and H2 team members. Honestly. So I have a row, then I have a TD times 2. So let's copy this for, I think we have, that was 4 years. No. Guys, give me a minute, please. Sorry guys. So you're at index.html, right? So we have name, we have room. So let's see what's wrong. So I have the names. So Samuels is a project manager. Tallest is UI and UX assistant. Then we have Maya, the tutor. Okay, that means I'm still missing one more column. But just copy and paste here. So okay, so here you go. Let's check. We have this. So now the styling now, guys. I'll put 60%, right? The margin should be auto, border collapse to be collapsed. Then even border should be one. We need to tell it to have one border now. Okay, it's not from here we'll use, I've forgotten. We'll use from here directly. If you remember, we didn't use style to state to one. So let's see now. Can you see this now, guys? So I wanted to just show you the this thing. So team members. So let me see. Okay, everything is justified. It's centralized. So for me, H1 and P, I could wrap this up in a div element. Okay. So can you see now, guys? So welcome to this. This is what it looks like. The only difference here was there's padding. So let's add this padding and okay, our text. Let's change the text to match now. Paragraph and okay. So this one is about the portal, right? About the portal. Okay, about the portal. Then I think it's the cell space. Yeah, comment cell padding. So let's see what it looks like. So cell padding, instead of padding, we had cell padding, so it will give space to the content. You can see now the difference. Then this background color, I've forgotten what color it is. I'm not going to use this. So now name and role, it's what it's Team members about the portal. Okay, so I need to justify because this was justified. Okay, it's the line height. They look at this now. This size and this size is not the same thing. This line height was increased, and we used to 1.6. I'm not sure. I want to go and reduce it. So I don't know. Can you see the spacing? No. I'm just going to keep it at that 1.6 one. 1.6. Then font size. I don't know. Is this 14 or 10 pixel? Are you serious? It went tinier. So let's use 20. Now it's bigger. Okay. Let me change to fonts type, font family to Arial. I think this is Arial. So I'll use 18. Guys, I'm going to use F12 here to check this. So it's the main I'm after. Yes. Okay, 1.6. Can you guys see the styles of this? So I can copy this style directly and just paste it here. Now let's cross check this header styles. So what are we getting wrong here? Let's check it out, guys. Margin is 0. It's the same thing we did. So I don't know, I think we have a typo because it doesn't make sense. Anyways, I'm here for the about page. So the font size, the font family is Arial, sans serif, and co. Now, okay, the minimum height, the padding, the background color, the box size, they set it to a box size. So that's why you can see this rectangular shape around it, and they justified the text. So guys, let me justify the text and add the border. Can you see now? So It's almost the same thing, apart from the fact that we don't have this and we don't have our footer. So for the footer, I can always copy from here. Then let's do with that top and we're done. I need to copy the footer. So this is my footer. Start copying from here. Footer comes after the main, so let's save and go back and check. Yeah, okay, what's going on here now? So can you see now? I've spaced it out now. So this A links. Okay, let me see this guys. Okay. Mm, except the fact that we have an error here. If not, this should be working because we're using the same styles as this. You guys can see this. So yeah, I don't know. I'll just get back to you guys with this. I'll get back to you guys about this error. I don't know. I'll check back later, or maybe when I'm not as tired as I am now, where the error is coming from. So next class I'll treat it with you guys. But I think the others we are good to go, right? I think we are good to go. So if we click here, register, so you can see it's correct. Then the about page too is okay. So based on what we have, so you can see, oh my god, it's working, oh. Guys, it's working. It's finally working, guys. So the issue was with this margin. I didn't put the margin in the body 0. So God, this thing. So it's finally working, guys. So the issue was this margin that I didn't add to the body. I'm sorry, I'm tired, and the padding too. So when you get to CSS, they will teach you all this, how everything is interconnected and how one small thing will just scatter your whole code. They will teach you. So I'm sure you understand this better with your CSS, but guys, I'm sorry that the class is a bit down today. I'm really tired, but as you can see now, we have it, we have it, we have it. So the same thing here. So guys, I think we're good to go now. And I'll just copy the code and send to you guys on WhatsApp so you can try it by yourself, then cross check. You understand? Try it by yourself and cross check. But that will be all for today. And I'll see you guys next week, Monday. I'll just copy the code and send to you later. Bye guys.
Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.